hangin sa Baguio.
Ingrid, malapit ka nang sumalang sa ating stage. Of course, the judges, medyo marami na sila panidaanan, the audience, they're pretty tired. So, ready ka na ba kung ano naman ang sabihin nila?
Ready na.
Okay, Ingrid. Kakanta ka?
Yes po.
Are you from Baguio?
Opo.
Very good. How old are you?
I'm 21 years old po.
Go for it, Ingrid.
Who I cradled in my arms, you asking as little as you can. Little snip of a little man. I know I'll give my life for you. You didn't ask me to be born. You, why should you learn of war or pain? To make sure you're not hurt again.
Kilig na kilig. Kilig sabi yan.
Life for you. I've tasted love beyond all fear, and you should know it's love that brought you here. And in one perfect night, when the stars burn like new, I knew what I must do. I'll give you a million things I'll never want. I'll give you a world to conquer.
Ilan taon siya? Ikaw? Kasal na yan.
You will be who you want to be. You can choose whatever heaven grants, as long as you can have your chance. I know I'll give my life for you. Sometimes I'd wake up reaching for him. I feel his shadow brush my head, but there's just moonlight on my bed. Was he a ghost? Was he a lie that made my body laugh and cry? Then by my side the proof I see, his little one, gods of the sun, bring him to me.
Have you joined repertory? Are you active in theater?
Ma'am, I've been a member po of SLU Glee Club.
Wow, but very, very, very clear singing.
Thank you po.
And you transported me. I felt na nanonood talaga ako ng Miss Saigon. What made the Filipino world-class was somebody like Lea Salonga, who sang with such heart and clarity. Pero, di ba, her power comes from within. Dahil napakalinaw at napaka-precise niyang kumanta. And Ingrid, you have that gift.
Thank you po so much.
No, Baguio, that is talent.
Thank you so much.
Tama. At habang kumakanta ka, umaarte ka, nag-gym ka.
Yan po ang natural na igorota.
Talaga?
Bagyong-bagyo.
Talaga?
Actually, yes, ma'am.
Kasi
Maskulada po, ma'am.
Hindi, maganda ka rito eh. Pero
Maganda yung cuts nga ng shoulders mo.
natural yan?
Natural po.
Wow! For me, it's a yes!
It's a yes for
Thank
me
you po.
too.
Ako rin, you got it!
Thank you po so much.
Magaling yung lalaki.
Yan ang malalaman natin sa pagbabalik ng Pilipinas Got Talent.